Hey everyone, so I just wanted to do a quick video here to let some of you who live in Canada and in the province of Ontario know the easiest way to get involved in cryptocurrency. Okay, so first off, I just want to tell you I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a person who's interested in crypto, who trades crypto currencies online, and this is just information that I'm putting out there for those of you who may be struggling to find out how you can get started, right? Maybe you know you want to invest in crypto, but you don't know how to get started. Being in Canada, there are some exchanges. They call them exchanges, like centralized exchanges, that are making it easier for Canadians now to get involved in cryptocurrency and be able to fund their accounts in Canadian dollars, whereas there are a lot of exchanges in the United States that are big exchanges, and they deal with all sorts of different cryptocurrencies that people can get involved in. Some of them will allow you to sign up, like there's ones like Crypto.com, Binance, Kraken, KuCoin, etc. Those are some of the bigger exchanges. There's a lot more, and then there's some smaller exchanges, decentralized exchanges. The thing is that you're looking for an exchange that's going to make it easy for you to fund your account with Canadian dollars in order to be able to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, right? So one that makes it easier than any that I've come across so far for Canadians and those residing in Ontario is Newton. Okay, so if you go to Newton, you can search Newton. I put the link in the description below, though, for your convenience. So you can click on the link that I put in the description below and sign up there. Set up an account. It's pretty straightforward. Once you've got the account set up and you've verified your identification, because they're going to want to verify that you are who you are, so you may have to provide like a passport ID or a driver's license or something. They're very secure. They try to be as secure as they can. So there's a few different things that you have to do in order to set up your account. Once you've got your account set up, though, it's a matter of you logging in. I would suggest that you go over here once you're set up and turn on two-factor authentication, or 2FA they call it. That just makes your account that much more secure if you're doing anything on your mobile device or on any computer. It's going to verify that any logins from any device, that they're really you, and they're going to do that by sending you some sort of verification code for you to input so that they can confirm that you are who you say you are, and that it's not somebody trying to get into your account. Okay, so it's pretty secure. It's pretty secure that way. This is a great site, though, for those of you that want to get into this. Once you're signed up with Newton, basically you just come in. It's a marketplace. So there's a number of coins that are right on the site that you can actually buy right on the site. But keep in mind, there's like 16,000 different cryptocurrencies. So if there's another cryptocurrency that you're looking for that you're unable to find, then it may be that that cryptocurrency is only available in a few other exchanges. So you have to find out where it's being traded, and you would have to set up an account on there. Preferably find a site that's going to accept Canadians, because again, not all cryptocurrency exchanges, centralized exchanges, accept Canadians. Okay, so you got to do a little bit of research if there's a coin, a cryptocurrency token or coin outside of this particular exchange, Newton, that you want to purchase. Okay, so I would start here, set up your account. Once you've got your account set up and you've turned on your two-factor authentication to make it more secure, etc., you can come into your account. You'll see a section. I don't do any trading on this particular exchange because some of my coins that I invest in are on other exchanges that are US based, so I've used this only to fund my account. So I can fund my account here, and then I've sent that money, or I've converted to a different coin through here, and then I've sent those coins to a different exchange that I'm registered with, okay, that had the coins that I was looking to buy or sell, okay? So really what I would do is I would just come on here. Once you've got this set up, it's easy. It's just a matter of you clicking on click to add funds. They allow you a few different options here. You can do a wire transfer. You can do crypto from a wallet. So if you have another wallet address, so in other words, if you started and you were signed up on a different exchange, so for example, I listed some of them there, like crypto.com or KuCoin or Binance or any of those. Whenever you have an account set up, whatever cryptocurrencies you have on those particular exchanges or on any exchange, you're going to have a wallet address for each of your particular cryptocurrencies. So if you deal with Bitcoin, you're going to have a Bitcoin wallet address that is specific to you, okay, which is going to allow you to deposit Bitcoin into that account from other exchanges, okay? Or if you've got Ethereum, you know, you're going to have an Ethereum token wallet address that is specific to you. So you don't want to share that information with other people, but if you're moving money between accounts, then that's something that you can do by using that wallet address. But it has to be that you move Bitcoin to Bitcoin, you move Ethereum to Ethereum, etc. Because each one of the currencies, the cryptocurrencies that you own or the assets that you own, they each have their own individual wallet address. Okay, so that's very important. But once you've got, once you're in here and you want to add funds, you can click on this. You see there's another option here via Interact. This is the easiest way to do it. Within 2 hours, they'll transfer your money. My finding is that usually it's done within about 20 minutes. Okay, so you would click on this. You would put in the amount that you wanted to transfer from your bank account. So if you're able to send e-transfers from your bank account, which most people are able to do that, no problem, then you would put in the amount that you wanted to move. So if it was 25 bucks or it was $50 or it was 100 bucks, whatever it was that you wanted to do, you would put in the amount here. You'd have make sure your email, the proper email address that's connected with your bank account would be in here. It's telling you what the limits are per transfer. I don't think any of us have to worry about this right now. $10,000 per e-transfer, $70,000 weekly, etc. It says transfer time within 2 hours, so it could be as long as 2 hours, but typically it's going to be, you know, like I said, for me it's been 20 minutes, 15 minutes, sometimes less, sometimes a few minutes more, and that's it. So you put in the amount, you click send fund request. You're going to get notification through your mobile device or in your email. You're going to have to check your email once you put in the amount. And you're going to check your email and they're going to tell you what to do from there. You're probably going to have to log into your online banking. If you don't get a notification through your text messages on your mobile device, then check your email. They're going to tell you to log in. You're going to have to approve that request for an e-transfer. Once you do that, they are going to approve it, and then you'll just be waiting for the money to appear in here. So once it's been approved, I'm not going to do this because I'm not going to purchase today. Once you do this, and once the money appears in your account, then it would show you the money in here. It would show you how much you had in Canadian dollars at the time. And then from there, your money's ready to go. You're ready to, if you just want to buy in this particular marketplace, you could come into the market area here. You could click all coins and you're going to see all the current cryptocurrencies that are available through this particular app only. These aren't all the cryptocurrencies that are available in the world. These are just the ones that this particular exchange lists. So you can see there's quite a few here. You can research on some of these or go on YouTube and research what's going on with some of these. These are the prices, 0.014 cents, 17 cents, you know, $1.17 per coin. Sandbox, $1.63, you know, all these different cryptocurrencies. Okay, Bitcoin, you can see it's 36,124 right now. We're in a bear market right now, so the market is down, but it's going to change. I mean, they're dealing with inflation. We got the war going on in Ukraine and Russia, between Ukraine and Russia, and other factors like that have affected things. There's also talk of the U.S. dealing and putting in some different regulations, interest rates, that type of stuff that are changing. So that's affected the markets. But the market will go up. Right now it's just a bear market. And again, when you see the red, these are good times to invest in a particular coin. If that's something that you choose to do, if you yourself choose to invest in a particular cryptocurrency, or there's something you're familiar with or something that you've researched or learned about, then you want to try and get them when they're in the red, right? You want to buy it when it's low, and then you want to try and sell when you're in the green, when you're making profit. Or you can hold it in there, but you got to understand the markets go up and the markets go down, right? Things don't stay up all the time. And if you're in profit and you're making lots of profit, then you can cash out some of that and take some of your profits and then keep a certain amount in there again, right? So that you're always profiting. But you do want to try and purchase any coin when it's in the red, because when it's in the red, that means it's at a lower price point per token or per coin for you to buy, right? So that's basically the gist of it. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just somebody who does this as a hobby. And I mean, the ultimate goal is to make money, right? Whether it's $50, whether it's $100, whether it's thousands of dollars. There's people that are making thousands of dollars, you know, a month doing this. There's people that are making, you know, they hit on the right coins and they're making hundreds of thousands of dollars or more. It just depends on your personal amounts that you deposit and how much you're willing to invest. It's an investment, right? So there's risks involved, and but that's where the research has to come in, and you have to know and understand what it is that you're looking for. See what people are talking about, see what's popular, see what is currently selling for less, that is expected to go on a bull run or go up in value, and that's how it's done. You know, there's research involved, just like people who play the stock market and get involved in investing in stocks. There's also research that has to be done to find out what it is they're investing in and any upcoming catalysts or things that are going to improve the price. Okay, so I'm not going to get into all that. That's research that you as an individual has to do. And again, you obviously want to be smart and invest. If you're going to do anything, if you choose to do anything related to crypto, you want to do your own due diligence, do your own research, and find out what it is you want to invest into, and just start messing around with things. But certainly don't do anything that's going to put you in a bad situation when you don't really know fully what you're doing yet. Okay, it takes practice, it takes patience, and it takes research. So I'm not going to get into all of that. There's lots of videos on YouTube and lots of things online that can help you to understand different cryptocurrencies and how to research them and what's popular and what's not. I just wanted to tell you, as a Canadian or investor from Canada or in Ontario, when you're not able to use a credit card, because most exchanges in the US, they all accept credit cards, but Canada won't let you fund a cryptocurrency account with a credit card. It's something that they won't do. Not to my knowledge. I've never had any luck doing that. It's something that they don't allow, at least for Ontario. If you're in a different province, maybe it's different, but that's my understanding. Now, in the United States, there's lots of exchanges that you can go on as a U.S. citizen. You can upload your debit card or your credit card, and you can fund your accounts that way, okay? But when you're in Canada, specifically in Ontario, and you want to get involved, this is the best way to do it. I did a previous video before showing people how they could do it through an app called ShakePay. This is even better, because this allows you, like I said, it allows you to go in here, click add your funds through Interact Transfer, or if you have another crypto wallet, you can send money from there over to here, or a wire transfer. But this is definitely the easiest way, through an Interact e-transfer. I already showed you how to do that. You can withdraw your funds through Interact e-transfer, or you can send from here to a different crypto wallet if you wanted to, or you can cash out if you were in profit for something. Let's say you were invested in a coin like this, for example, and you were making profits, and you were making 50 bucks a day, or you made, $100 in a week, and you wanted to cash that out, then you can do all that by withdrawing. You would have to sell the coin. You would have to convert the coin back into, you would have to sell it. So, and then you would sell it back into your, you would have to sell it back into a currency or a cryptocurrency that you wanted to. So in other words, if you had a bunch of it and you wanted to sell so much of it back into Bitcoin, then you would put it into Bitcoin and you would confirm the sell order, or convert it back into Canadian fiat currency. So whenever they're referring to US dollars or Canadian dollars, whatever, that's considered fiat currency, which then once you did that and you sold it back, then you could go and then you could move it to your bank account, okay, that you've set up and registered with them within 2 to 4 business days. So it's a type of thing, you start out small, you come in, you set up a small amount that you add to your account, 50 bucks or 25 bucks, whatever, and you just start messing around. You go into the marketplace. We're in the marketplace now, but I can go to the market list. Say you got 50 bucks, and you wanted to buy, let's find something reasonable. Let's say you wanted to buy I don't know. Let's say you wanted to buy this one, okay? Anchor. It's 4 cents per token. So then you would click on that. You would have, it's telling you the price right there. You would say, I want to buy it. You'd put in the amount that you wanted to buy. You'd say 25 bucks or whatever. And then it would give you a price. It would give you an amount here, or you could click on max if you wanted to use the whole $25. Click on max, or you could click on a percentage, and it'll give you the amount of coins you're going to get, and then it'll tell you the amount here that it's going to cost you, and then you click confirm buy order. And then you're going to have that token, suddenly you'll have that token available to you on this app, on Newton, okay? And you'll be able to go in and you'll be able to see all your assets. You'll see all your recent activities, any transactions you've made, and you'll see your assets available on here, and you'll be able to watch for any profits that you make, etc., and you can mess around with buying, selling, whatever you want at that time. Again, not a financial advisor. I'm just telling you this is what I do. This is how I've learned to do different things, and it's as easy as that. So I thought I would put that out there for you guys today. This is the easiest way to fund your account if you're a Canadian or Ontario resident that wants to fund their account. You can't use a credit card in Ontario to fund a crypto account. I'm not so sure you can do it anywhere in Canada to fund a crypto account, so you got to do it by using an e-transfer like this. And this is an all-in-one solution because it's a marketplace, an exchange, and it's allowing you to purchase coins right here. And it's allowing you to fund your account. It's allowing you to move your funds around. And if you wanted to if you wanted to withdraw and you wanted to take your funds, let's say you bought a bunch of Bitcoin, you could then say crypto to wallet. You could say whatever it was that you wanted to, whichever one you had. You could click on it. And then, sorry. You would send your Bitcoin to the address that you had on a different exchange. So if you had Bitcoin on a different exchange somewhere in the US or on a different website, different exchange website, and you had Bitcoin there and you wanted to move Bitcoin from here to there, you would need the wallet address from that other exchange. You would enter the wallet address here, the amount that you wanted to move over, and you would hit review withdrawal and follow that up and then approve it, and it would go through within probably half an hour to an hour, and it would appear in that other wallet. Okay, it's something you just got to mess around with and play around with, but that's how you do it. The link is in the description below. Hopefully you found this useful, and I'll see you next time.